children, how are you all? Once again, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 8, Subject Hindi, Lesson 2, Topic Mera Desh. Mera Desh means my country. Children, what is the name of your country? Yes, it's India. And when we mention it in Hindi, we call it as Bharat. मेरे देश का नाम भारत है. My country's name is India. मुझे अपने देश पर गर्व है. I am very proud of my country. Are you proud of your country or not, children? Yes, we all like our country and we all are proud of it. Right? There are so many things which we can mention in our country. Like, इसके उत्तर में हिमालय है. In the north of our country when we divide it into 4 parts, that is east, west, north and south, we can get many natural things which we can mention proudly. First, in north side of our country, we can see Himalayas. Right, children? It is so beautiful. These are the mountains which are spread throughout the north part of our country. Next, दक्षिण में हिंद महासागर है. In the southern side of our country, we can see Indian Ocean. Hind means Indian, Mahasagar means ocean. So, in the southern side of our country, at the end of our country, that is, if you will see in a map, the down part of our country is covered by Indian Ocean. Next, you can see in east side of our country, it's Bay of Bengal. पूरब में बंगाल की खाड़ी है. बंगाल की खाड़ी means Bay of Bengal. पूरब means east. So, in the east side of our country, we can see Bay of Bengal. Right, children? और पश्चिम में अरब सागर है. And if we take to the western side of our country, we can see the Arabian Seas. Okay. So, what is the main occupation of our country? Can you tell me, children? Yes, it's agriculture. India is totally dependent on agriculture. मेरा देश कृषि प्रधान देश है. My country gives importance mainly to agriculture. कृषि means agriculture. हमारे देश की नदियाँ देश की धरती को सींचकर हरा भरा बनाए रखती है. You know, children, there are so many rivers in our country. And if you will see, that rivers are having water almost throughout the year. And because of these rivers, only a country has more and more greenery. Because these water only is helped in cultivation, and this water helps directly forests and other parts of our country to keep it green. मेरे देश में कई प्रांत हैं. There are many provinces in my country. प्रांत, provinces, or you can say states. So there are many states in my country. इसमें हर जाति, धर्म तथा भाषा के लोग रहते हैं. There are people with different religions, different castes and different languages speaking in our country. We don't have one language for our country. We don't have one caste in our country or religion in our country. We don't discriminate it differently, but we have all the caste and religion and so many people speaking so many different languages inside our country. अनेकता में एकता इस देश की विशेषता है. See, as I told you, there are so many religions, so many castes, and so many people speaking so many languages. But in spite of all this, there is one particular condition even in our country which makes us strong. Can you tell me what is that, children? Yes, that is unity among us. United we stand, and always we are the best. So, this unity in our country makes us special among other countries. हिंदी इस देश की राष्ट्रभाषा है. The national language of our country is हिंदी. मेरा देश एक धर्मनिरपेक्ष देश है. In spite of having so many different religions in our country, that is, you can see Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity, so many different religions are there, but we don't do anything based on religion. We don't divide ourselves based on religion. We all are one. When we put all these religions into one place, we are Indians, and we don't spread religious discrimination among ourselves. इसमें लोकतंत्र प्रणाली में शासन चलता है. In our country, we have a democratic type of government. So, as you can see, the principle of a democratic country is that the government of the state is carried out with the cooperation and the consent of the people. So, it's of the people, for the people, and by the people. So, we are always democratic. मेरा देश वर्तमान में औद्योगिक तथा विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में उन्नति की ओर बढ़ रहा है. In the present time, you can see, children, we have made so many good developments in scientific field, right? We have so many missions, we have so many satellites, and we have made a more and more development in commercial side as well as in scientific side. If you take the industries in our country, we can see, children, there are so many new mechanical industries where we have new machines which helps us a lot, which helps people to do the work very easily without more using of strength. And we have so many new industries also which helps people in each and every manner. मेरे देश की जलवायु में भी अंतर है. There is a lot of difference in climatic features of our country. यहाँ एक और अधिक वर्षा वाले स्थान हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर मरुस्थल भी हैं. If you see, children, in one part of our country we get a lot of rainfall. That is, if you will take the eastern side of our country, that is Assam, that Mizoram side, you have lot of rainfall over there. It's raining almost 6 to 8 months in a year. But if you will come to the western side of our country, that is to Rajasthan side or Gujarat side, it is totally desert area where we have scarcity of water. So, in the eastern side, we have lot of water which sometimes bring floods, but on the western side, we have total desert where it is scarcity of water or drought condition. यहाँ वर्ष भर में 6 ऋतुएं आती हैं. There are 6 seasons in our country. वसंत ऋतु में यहाँ स्वर्ग का सौंदर्य उतर आता है. चारों तरफ फूलों की निराली छटा होती है. In the spring season, children, it looks like the heaven coming down to earth. It's beautiful flowers all throughout wherever we see. On our earth, there are so many beautiful flowers blooming in the in the season of spring. Next, यहाँ गर्मी तथा सर्दी भी खूब पड़ती है. Here, when it is summer season, it is really too hot. But when it comes to winter season, it's very very cold. यहाँ वन संपदा की कमी नहीं है. If you will take forest in our country, there are so many forest resources and there is no lack in that in our country. We have more and more of forests in our country. मेरा देश प्राचीन काल से सोने की चिड़िया के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है. My country, in the olden times, it was famous as golden bird. Now also we can make it as a golden bird if you try. इसे भारत, इंडिया, आर्यावर्त तथा हिंदुस्तान आदि अनेक नामों से पुकारा जाता है. As I told you children, when you call it in English, it is India. When you come to Hindi, it is Bharat. And there was an old name for India, that is Aryavart. And as a whole, we call it as Hindustan. So there are many different names in which we call our country. ईश्वर से मेरी यही प्रार्थना है कि मेरा देश सदा उन्नति करता रहे. I have only one prayer to God, that my country should always make success and we should always get more and more development.